Understanding Beauty Blender, a guide to everyday English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used term in the beauty world, beauty blender. This phrase might sound simple, but it holds a lot of meaning in everyday conversations, especially among those who love makeup and beauty products. Let's explore what this term means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. A beauty blender is actually a brand name that has become a generic term for a type of makeup sponge. This sponge is used to apply various kinds of makeup like foundation, concealer, and blush. The unique feature of a beauty blender is its egg-like shape and its soft, spongy texture, which allows for even and smooth application of makeup. It's an essential tool for many makeup enthusiasts. In everyday English, when someone mentions a beauty blender, they are often referring to any makeup sponge with a similar function, not just the branded product. For example, you might hear someone say, "I need to buy a new beauty blender," even if they intend to purchase a different brand. It's a great example of how brand names can become generic terms for similar products in English. The term beauty blender reflects a cultural trend where specific brand names become synonymous with a type of product. This phenomenon is not unique to English but is quite common in the language. Other examples include Kleenex for tissues or Google for searching online. Understanding these terms can give you insight into English-speaking cultures and consumer habits. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, beauty blender. Remember, language is not just about words but also about culture and context. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in using this term in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video lesson.